Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so ready for American Idol. I'm telling you, watch. No, I'm just kidding. But anyways, thank you for tuning in. And today it's a two-in-one video. It's a part unboxing video and a makeup tutorial on this look. So stay tuned, grab some snacks, grab a drink because it's gonna be a good one. Yeah, Covergirl sent me this gorgeous, biggest box ever in the history of boxes. And I have to show you guys what they sent me because it's all gorgeous. So stay tuned for that. And then right afterwards, I'm going to go and show you guys how I created this look with all the stuff, well, most of the stuff in the box. And I hope you guys like it. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and of course, leave me a comment to let me know what you thought of this video. Okay, so let's check it out.
So guys, this is the box. It's a 3-layer box. Well, actually 4 layers. It has a top layer and 3 drawers with everything for your eyes, skin, and lips. Now check the top layer. This is amazing. Watch.
What does my face tell you? Does it say that I'm vain? Or does it tell you that I'm strong? That I'll run this company someday? My face can be bold when you expect me to be weak.
I was amazed when I opened the box and the video started playing. Number one, it's a gorgeous video. And number two, you don't expect to see something like this. So it was really, really cool. By the way, if you guys hear a cat on the background, that's George. You might have seen him on my Instagram. He loves Covergirl too. Okay, so I'm going to take you guys through the box. And the top layer here, you'll see the Melting Pout Matte Liquid Lipsticks, which I've used before and I absolutely love the stunning shades. And then we're going to go to the bottom drawer, which has everything in it for your skin. Starting with the Vitalist Luminizing Lotion in the top left-hand corner. And next to that, there's the compact powders. Of course, you gotta have your concealers. Can't live without. And then the box also has a setting spray. And I still have to try this color correcting palette. I'm very excited about that, but I am super excited about these Vitalist Healthy Glow highlighters. Can't wait. The second drawer has everything for your eyes. Stay with me, guys, because I'm going kind of fast. But we got the KityKat palettes, which are gorgeous, and the TruNaked Smokey palette, which I'll be using for this tutorial. So stay tuned for that. And then in the top left corner, we got the brow pencils and the brow pomade, which I still have to use, and I'm so excited about that because I take forever doing my brows. So hopefully this will help me speed up a lot. And we got the eyeliners, and if this box looks a little bit out, not straight and everything, it's because I already messed with everything. I couldn't wait. And of course we got the Peacock Flare mascara for gorgeous lashes, and we got the eyeshadow primer, and this gorgeous top layer has everything for your lips. So we're starting here with all the KityKat lip glosses in all the different shades. And I was so excited when I saw these because I was about to go buy them because I just love the packaging. And then when I got this box, I was like jumping up and down because I was so happy. And then we got the Covergirl Queen lip shades, which are absolutely stunning. They're mattes, and I can't wait to use them all. So I'll be using this box to create lots of different looks. So stick with me and I'll show you the first one right here, right now. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so let's start this tutorial. On my bare skin, I am going to start applying the Vitalist Luminizing Lotion. And if you want to know the shades I'm using, check below the video. I'll put all the details in there. And I'm just applying it with my fingertips. It is a lotion, so you can just apply it with your hands. And after this, I am applying a foundation. You can apply any foundation that you want. I didn't include that in the video because it would take too long. So I skipped the foundation and I went straight to the concealer. And I'm just dotting that under my eyes and applying it with a beauty blender. To set the whole thing, I'm using the Covergirl Compact Powder. And I'm applying it with a brush. I do that with all my powders. Whether it's a loose powder or compact powder, I always use a brush. Next, I am going to apply the eyeshadow primer. Yes. And I'm just applying it to my eyelid and dabbing it in with my fingertips. So while the primer is doing what it does, I'm going to fix my brows using the CoverGirl brow pencil. And my brows take me the longest to do, so I sped this part up a lot because else you guys would be sitting there watching this till tomorrow. But yeah, so I fixed my brows and I love a good groomed brow. Can't wait to use the brow pomade too. But anyways, on my eyes, I started with the TruNaked Smokey palette, and I took the lightest matte shade in the palette, and I'm applying it all over my eyelid from my brow bone down to my lid. Then I'm taking this gray shade and I'm going to apply it in the V of my eye, which is basically the outer corner. Right there and halfway over the crease, just to create a little depth. And then I'm taking the darkest shade in the palette and I'm going to apply that in the very outer corner, right there, just to get that extra ombre effect, because you want it to be the darkest on the outside of your eye, and as you work towards the inner corner it gets lighter. So I'm going back to that grayish shade and I'm going to apply that below my waterline just to complete the effect. And I am using the Perfect Point Plus CoverGirl pencil, which is my favorite pencil because when you draw a line, it actually draws a line. You don't have to go over it 10 million times to see some color, like some pencils that I've used in the past. Okay, I'm curling my lashes. And then I'm going to enhance them with the gorgeous Peacock Flare Mascara. And this mascara really does what it does. I did a whole video about this mascara, so check my channel. I'll put a link up right there. And I applied some falsies just for the extra effect, although it was really not necessary. But then I'm going to go and enhance my lips with the KityKat gloss. And I just happened to pick this color because I couldn't decide because all the colors are absolutely stunning. But I like this color because it kind of stands out. And there you have it. I hope you guys love this look. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment. And I hope to see you guys again in my next video. Bye.